And here we are back with the air conditioning method. So once we found our product and sum that are our integers that have the same product of negative 210 and add up to 11, we go into our final stage. So we take our function of 6x squared, that is on 0. Take our function 6x squared plus 11x minus 35, and we set it equal to our 6x squared, but now we substitute in our integers, so we do plus 21x minus 10x minus 35. All right, so once we get here, then we factor out, or we group, and then we factor out common terms. So we group up right here, and we group right here. So since we have a 6x squared plus 21x, we can factor out an x, or a 3x, sorry, to get 3x times 2x plus 7. And then over here, we add to us, we can factor out a negative 5. So we get negative 5 times 2x plus 7. And since we all know from grouping factoring, these have to be the same. And so then we have the 2x plus 7, which is the same. And then we combine our 3x and negative 5 to get 3x minus 5, which gets us in our factor notation. And so then to solve for our x, we see that 3x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals 5/3. And then our 2x plus 7 equals 0. This x equals negative 7/2. So as we see, using our handy-dandy air conditioning method, we found our factors for 6x squared plus 11x minus 35.